my YouTube channel. My name is Victor. In this video, I'll be showing you how you can make money, how you can earn from the comfort of your home, how you can make money from what you normally do on a daily basis, how you can take up tasks, do some gigs like writing, survey, watching videos, downloading apps, and so on and so forth. What you normally do um, on your day-to-day activity, and you will be getting paid for doing those tasks. So this is what I'm going to take you through today, and you are going to see how you can earn from this site called Naira Workers. So before I go on, I would like to say that the information provided in this video should not be taken as a legal or financial advice. What I would say is that you should do your own research and do what is right, because I will be responsible for my profit and loss, and you should also take responsibility for your profit and loss. I would also like to plead with you guys to bear with me. Because of my voice, I am a bit indisposed, and that is why I'm sounding this way. So thank you very much for joining my video once more. So the site we'll be talking about today is called Naira Workers. Just as you can see from your screen here, it says Naira Workers. If you are familiar with all this gig kind of task or freelancing task that is being done online, maybe micro worker, pico workers, and so on and so forth, you appreciate those who put together this Naira Worker. The same also goes for Owo Daily, because it's been localized, so it makes it easier for us here in this part of the world to be able to do something like this. And now we'll be making money from doing tasks. As you can see, it says 280,000 plus tasks completed. So what you just need to do is to do a small task. You don't need a specific skill, because these are the things you do on a day-to-day activity. So if you check here, if you scroll down, you see it says Naira Workers is a freelancing, outsourcing, and crowdsourcing platform. We connect clients and freelancers from all over Nigeria. So if you are a freelancer, you can come here, and if you also have a particular business you like to promote, or you want to reach a wider audience, you can make use of this platform by paying others so that you'll be able to reach your desired audience. So let us quickly go through their FAQ and see some of the things that we can get from the FAQ. Already I explained what Naira Worker is, and we have an employer and we also have a worker. If you are an employer, that means that you are giving out works, you are giving out tasks to be completed by others and you pay them. And if you are a worker, that means that you are doing work provided by employers and you get paid. So it's a win-win situation when you are on Naira Worker. And it says, how many accounts can I have? You're only permitted to have one account. So if any user creates multiple accounts, such user here will be banned, and the person will be banned permanently. And so it says, how can I offer a job to workers? So just go to my job page, click on start, then you create a job. I'm going to show you all that so that you do. So let me just talk about the most important thing. I know that all of you would like to know. We'll talk about the most important thing, which is the withdrawal. It says users can withdraw money when they earn 2,000 naira. Withdrawals are processed once a week, and that's on Fridays. So you must submit your withdrawal request before 12 a.m. on Friday. You are charged 30 naira to process withdrawals. Withdrawals are sent to your bank account. So you get paid in your bank account when you reach the minimum of 2,000 naira. And it was said here that you should have sent in your request before 12 a.m. That means that from Sunday, or let's say from Saturday to Thursday, or very early in the morning on Friday, or before 12 a.m. So it's going to be from Saturday to to Thursday, you can send in your request and it's going to be processed on Friday and you'll be charged 30 naira. So it's actually a legit site. If you check here, if you come down, scroll down a little bit, you see their Facebook account, that they have a Facebook account, and as you can see here, you can see that they have review. They also have an Instagram account. They have 5,455 people following them, and if you check it out, you see that yeah, they are truly working. If you see people giving them, you see an applause here, awesome, indices to work indeed, and so on. So you can see that it's actually a legit site. They also have other means in which you can contact them, like sending them a mail. So in case you have any other question that I did not treat, you can just reach out to them. So guys, I will be showing you how you can register. Let's just go through that quickly. Already I have an account that I have created for this Naira Worker. So you can just come here, and where it is register, you click on register and allow it to load. So I will leave a link in the description box of this video so that you can register using my referral link, and that will mean a kind of support you are giving for my channel, and I really appreciate that. So I will leave a link in the description box for you to register, and you can also register others. You can give others your referral link for them to register as well. So it's taking a little bit to come up. I think that's my network. So we wait for it to show up, and it's just like few steps that you need to input. You just input your username, input your password, and you create an account. It's very, very simple. So let's wait for it to load. It's loading now. So now we have a page where you can register your account. You can see that it's a very simple step. Here it says first name, last name. Ensure that you're inputting your first name and last name as it appears on your bank account, because you're going to be required to input your bank account where the money will be paid. So here you input your email, then a password, you confirm password here. Here where it is your referrer, I'm going to leave a link. You can just input home pay me here. You input this home pay me and you input it here as a means of supporting the channel. So you do that for referral. So that's that, very, very simple. And then you log in into your account. Let's wait for it to load up now. You log into your account. You can see here it says sign in. I've already registered an account, so I'm not going through that process of registering again. So for those who will be doing task, because as you can see here, it's divided into two. We have hire many random workers. Do you need 500 likes or 300 followers, 250 sign-ups, and so on? You can run a small job and ask workers to like your Facebook post, to watch a video, subscribe to your YouTube channel, retweet, follow, install Android app, and much more. So if you are using this part, that means that you are an employer. You are giving out tasks to people, and here it is perform simple or small tasks. So you'll be required to do some work and you will get paid from those work. So ensure that the work you want to do are something you can finish, so that you will not waste your precious time. So let us check out some of these works or some of these tasks that they have on this site. And guys, if you can be able to do this every time, I can assure you that you can make up to 8,000 naira in a day, because if you're able to follow up with those tasks, you can see that they have a lot of tasks that it's been done, that can be done here. You see this one says branch app is going to pay you 82 naira, and you see here 7 people have done it out of 25 people. So this one says Credo conferencing, you'll be paid 50 naira. So 55 naira. So for you to be able to do any of this task, what you need to do is just to come here where it says view job. You click on it, you click on view job, click on view job, and it's going to pop up, and then you finish up the task, and after finishing up the task, then you'll be required to submit a proof that you have done the task correctly. So after doing that, you would definitely get paid too. And that is that for a worker. So if you want to give out job, you can just come to this place that says post job. So you click on post job, you click on it, and then it's going to take you to an interface where you'll be able to post a job. So as you can all see on this page, we have sign up. So we have Instagram, we have YouTube, we also have Twitter, Facebook, Write an Honest app review, mobile applications for Android phone, surveys, offers, sign up, and so on. So if you want to create a job, you can just choose anyone you like here. Maybe you want Instagram follower, you can click on follow, and the minimum you can ask people to do is 25, and this is the minimum you can pay for those who follow you on your Instagram app. So, and you can also make this a business, like I mentioned in one of my videos, that you can go out to people actually looking for followers on Instagram, or looking for um, people to come to their YouTube channel, and you can ask them to pay you so that you get people for them. So if you are being paid, you just come here and create a job and allow people to go and finish up the job, and you get paid. So it's as simple as that. So you can do this every day and you can continue to earn. So this is where we'll be putting an end to this video here. So if you are new to this channel, kindly hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification so that you'll be notified as soon as I drop new content. So thank you very much. I'll be seeing you guys in the next video.